Hi, this is Alex with Northeast Factory Direct, and I can't believe it's been 20 years since our humble beginnings out of a small garage in Lakewood with one dining room set. And I was just thinking back to feels like yesterday where I was meeting folks, showing them this beautiful 18th century dining room set. They're being elated with the quality and the price, loading it in my pickup truck, driving it to their houses, setting it up, and just thinking, wow, we just saved these people a ton of money, and feeling great about it. And before long, we grew out of that garage and we had a storage unit, and then we had a whole row of storage units. We started adding things like bedroom sets and grew out of that and moved into a small auto body shop. And now we're in 3 huge warehouses, which are essentially just bigger garages. We've just kept the same model and the same customer service. And we've never really done President's Day sales or any kind of gimmicks and things like that. But we thought, wow, this is 20 years. We should really celebrate what we've done here. So to show our appreciation to our customers that have supported us throughout the years, we are all month long having a garage sale and a garage sale event. And what that means to you is we're going to be having a lot of items throughout the store that are priced even better than our already low prices, just as an appreciation to everybody. This week we're going to be at our Euclid location, which is in the old B&B appliance building. And come on out, and for more information, go to our website, which is northeastfactorydirect.com.